Hey guys, just real quick, I wanted to mention that the price for the Crucial T500 Pro is changing all the time. So be sure and check out the link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. All right, let's jump in. In today's video, we're doing a real-world speed test on the Crucial T500 Pro. Now, just to set expectations, Crucial is claiming that this SSD can get up to 7,400 megabytes per second in read speed, which is an absolutely insane speed. However, this is in the most optimal and perfect conditions, whereas in the real world, we're usually experiencing less than optimal conditions and probably not even going to come close to this. Now, honestly, I would be very thrilled if this SSD could achieve about 4,500 megabytes per second up to about 5,000 megabytes per second. I would consider this a very successful SSD. So let's go ahead and get this installed into my PC and see what kind of speeds we can get. Now, after about 5 minutes of running a speed test, I was extremely blown away at the results. Pay specific attention to the top line. On the left is the read speeds and on the right is the write speeds. And that is the sequential write speeds I'm getting from this SSD inside my PC. You can see they're above 6,500, which is absolutely mind-boggling that I'm getting these speeds in my real-world test. Guys, I'm not just impressed by this T500 Pro and the speeds that it offers, I am absolutely blown away. And for that reason, I highly recommend it. Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.